In this video, you will be shown how to create a Google custom search engine. Now, before you create this custom search engine, you will need to have signed up for a Gmail account or a Google account. What you will need to do is type in www.google.com/CSE/, and that will take you right to this page. Just think of the CSE as custom search engine, and that will help you remember the URL to create a custom search engine. Now you do have a couple different options with your search engines. You can sign up for a free one, which I highly recommend, or if you need more control of it, you can pay $100 a year. After you've thought about which sign up you would like to go with, you want to click where it says sign in to custom search engine. Now you simply want to type in your Gmail account along with the password and click sign in. Now you'll be taken to a page just like this, or yours may look a little different. And my page shows all the different custom search engines I have already created. But it's important to know that whenever you want to create a custom search engine, you just want to simply click add. Now you will be taken to this page, and what you will do is just copy and paste URLs right into this box right here. Now I do recommend you going and searching out websites that you would like to include in your custom search engine before you get to this step. And what I recommend whenever you're doing this is to just search them out and copy and paste them on a Word document, so when you come to this step, it's going to just simply consist of you going on that Word document and copying and pasting the URLs right into your custom search engine, or the sites to search. Now, a couple things that is important to know whenever you're including your sites. Anything that's just going to include a .com. Let's say, for example, I have healthykids.com. If I were just to copy and paste that healthykids.com, it would give the kids access to any link or anything like that within that website. So whenever the kids have a custom search engine with something that just ends in .com, it could still give them, thousands if not millions of choices to choose from. So what I recommend using a custom search engine for is if you want to take them to specific websites. And the way you do that is you copy and paste the whole entire URL. That'll give them individual pages. Okay, for example, let me show you what I have on my Word document. I went on these different websites and I just did a Google search for some good health related websites. So you can see that with a URL like this, if I were to stop at the .gov, that would give kids access to this whole entire website right here. However, what I did is I just copy and pasted the full URL. So within my custom search engine, what I'm going to have here are just 5 websites that will show up, and it will direct kids to these 5 specific websites. This is really where a custom search engine will be helpful, because it will only give the kids 5 websites to choose from in their custom search engine. So what I will do, I'm just going to simply cut and paste these URLs right into my custom search engine. So once I put one down, you can see another box will appear. Simply just cut it, and then I will paste it again. Go back to my Word document. We'll cut this, paste it again. You can see I'm including full entire URLs, not just, healthykids.org. That would create too many sites for the students to look at, but if you want to do that, that is completely fine. Like I said, it's important to make sure you have researched the websites before you get to this step. It'll save you a lot of time. So now I have included all 5 websites that I would like to create in my custom search engine. Now that I have done this, what I need to do is just click create. Okay, now it'll give me a code to where I can put the code into a certain website, and it'll just be a search engine that I can have for my students. If I want to view it on the web, I have a public URL, and mine's just will come up as a default of Science Kids or whatever the first URL you posted in there. I will show you how to change this in just a little bit, but this is just to test it out. So if I were to type in the word health and then click enter, you can see that it's only going to give me 4 websites. 4 out of the 5 that I put on there, when kids click on that, it'll take them to the exact page that I copied and pasted into my custom search engine. And you definitely will want to test this out to make sure it is working properly. Now after you've tested it out, you can just click on, go back to the results in your custom search, click on that X. Okay, now you don't want to have this labeled as your first URL or the title of the first URL that you put in your custom search engine. So what you will do is click where it says custom search, and then what you will want to do is go to the very top one that you just created. I'm going to click where it says Science Kids, and now it's going to let me change the search engine name, and I'm just going to do health search. And you do not need to save it or anything like that. It will automatically save, and then when I click on public URL, this will give me the URL. When I click on this, it will show me that the new search engine is titled Health Search. Now what you will want to do is copy and paste the URL somewhere so where your students will be able to click on that link. You do not want to have 24 students or 27 students writing this URL down or typing it in their web browser. So this is how you create a custom search engine within Google. If you have any questions about this, please come and see me.